discuss the question answers. So first we answer the following questions. First one, name our sense organs. So we have 5 sense organs, all of you know, namely eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They are our sense organs. Second one, what is the importance of teeth? So all of you know that it is helping us for chewing the food particles. So first thing, teeth help us to cut and chew the food, thus allowing us to break the food into smaller particles. And teeth are also helping for speaking. And the thing is there, third, name the different types of teeth. Teeth are classified into 4 types depending on their functions. So they are incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Next, the 4th question, name some food items that can be harm our teeth. So there are many food items that can harm our teeth. Few of them are chocolates, ice creams and cold drinks. So you should avoid those foods. Is it? Now we are going to discuss the B bit. Fill in the blanks, fill in the following blanks using the clue kit. So here the blanks are there. You have to fill it applying the clue kit. So first one, we have dash incisor in our teeth. So how many? All of you can see from the clue kit that 8 word is there. So you have to write here 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Next, second one, teeth that are narrow and pointed in shape are what? They are the canine. C-A-N-I-N-E-S. Is it? Next, the third one, we can't see the things if it is what? The dirt is there, so the dirt is matching here. D-A-R-K. Next one, sixth one. Dash are found just behind the canine teeth. So what should be the answer? The premolars. P-R-E-M-O-L-E-R-S. M-O-L-A-R-S. Is it premolars? Next one, fifth one. Nose identify the dash of objects. So what should be the answer? Smell. Because only the smell is remaining. That one is left. S-M-E-L-L. Smell of objects. Now we are going to discuss the C bit. Write yes or no for the following statements. Here, which statements are correct, you have to write yes, and which statements are wrong, you have to write no for them. So here, first one, a child has 32 milk teeth. Is it correct? No, that one is not correct. Is it? So you have to write here no. Inside the bracket, you have to write no. Next one, use a hairpin to clean our ears. Is it correct process? No, never. You should not. So that one is no. You have to write inside the bracket no. Next, the third one, all type of teeth in our mouth have the same function. No, they have different kind of function. Few of them are for chewing, few of them are for cutting, few of them are for the tearing. Is it? So that one also is not correct. So you have to write here no. Next one, skin covers our bone. Is it correct? Yes, that one is correct. All of you know. So you have to write yes inside the bracket. So this C bit also over. Now we are going to discuss the D bit. Match the following. See here in the left hand side few words are there, and in the right hand side few words are there, few phrases there. So we have to match them. So here incisor. So incisor, among which it would come, that one is cut the food. Is it? Incisors cut the food. So here inside the bracket you have to write C. Next one, the canines. What they are doing, canines? They are holding and tearing the food. So hold and tear food, that one will be match here. What about the premolars? Premolars, they chew the food, is it? So you have to write inside the bracket B here. And what about the molar? Only one is left, one is left. That one is finely grind the food. So that one should be A. Is it clear? Now we will discuss about the project work. So here level the different parts of the tooth. See here one picture is there, so you have to level. So first one, whatever the white color you are seeing, that one is called the enamel. Yes, that one is the hardest substance in our body. So that one should be enamel. And just below that one, that means under the enamel, that one is the dentine. Yes, dentine, you have to write here dentine. Next one, if you will see that one blue color, one nerve-like structure, that one is the pearl. And just below the pearl, that one is the gum. So in this way, we have completed this lesson. Go through the lesson and prepare nicely for our online exam. Thank you.